In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another Gmail account on Android. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. This is the red and white envelope icon that comes pre-installed on most phones. If you haven't used it in a while, make sure you're connected to the internet so everything loads correctly. Once Gmail is open, give it a moment to refresh your inbox. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile picture. If you haven't added a photo, you'll see the first letter of your current account in a colored circle. This menu is your account hub, where you can view which account you're currently using and quickly switch between any accounts you've added before. From this account menu, tap Add another account. This takes you into the setup flow, where Gmail will guide you through connecting a new mailbox. It's a safe process handled by Google, and it won't affect your existing messages or settings. Next, you'll see a list of email providers. Choose Google. This tells your phone you're adding another Gmail or Google Workspace account, and it ensures everything syncs properly with your contacts, calendar, and Drive if you use them. You'll now be asked to sign in. Enter the email address for the account you want to add, then tap Next. On the following screen, enter the password for that account and tap Next again. Take a moment to double-check for typos before you continue. If your keyboard suggests autofill, only use it if you're sure it's correct. For security, keep your credentials private and avoid signing in on public or shared devices. To finish setup, review and accept the terms presented on screen. These are Google's standard terms and privacy details. Once you accept, Gmail will complete the process and connect your account. That's it, your account is added. You'll see a confirmation, and Gmail will begin syncing your mail in the background. Depending on your connection and how many messages you have, this can take a minute or two. To view your new inbox, tap your profile picture again, and you'll see the additional account listed there. Switch between accounts by selecting the one you want to use, and Gmail will show the corresponding inbox, labels, and folders. Notifications will arrive for the new account as well, so you won't miss important messages. You've successfully added another Gmail account on Android. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of keeping all your email in one place.